งกันละบอ
We're in Myanmar.
Let's adventure. It's almost called Canada.
Almost.
Almost. Just drop that in and make it a sea.
Ananda Temple was built in 1105 during the Bagan dynasty. The temple has 4 standing Buddhas inside, one of which is famous for its changing expression. The temple is one of the most revered in Bagan. The name Ananda comes from Buddha's cousin, the vulnerable Ananda, and in Sanskrit it means bliss.
Okay. Look at that picture.
We paid our city entrance fee.
We did.
Mm-hmm.
It's really surprising how long it took for someone to give us the opportunity to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Beautiful temple.
Yeah.
And there's more of the day of the week things here.
The tiger's face is quite interesting.
Yeah. They're all really intricate.
Yeah.
I like that it's under this tree that's being propped up by sticks too. The Garda looks so cool. Here's your guinea pig. Oh, there's no cup of water by yours. It's gonna make it harder. See how the other ones have the green cups of water on the thing? But not the 2 that we want to go to. No. Well, that's a sign. But normally you're supposed to take a cup of water and put it over the Buddha statue corresponding to your day of the week.
The cup's in the water. And this one?
I don't want to get out of that one though.
Is that the wrong one?
We've explained this before in our Shwedagon video, but in Myanmar they have a unique Burmese zodiac. Depending on which day of the week you were born on, you visit a shrine with the corresponding animal to offer prayers and thanks. I was born on a Thursday, so I visit the mouse shrine.
Super cool.
Isn't the Naga so cool?
Yeah.
The original standing Buddha at the south entrance is very unique. When viewed from afar, the expression is much like a smile, but as you move closer to the statue, the expression becomes sad.
So from at the back, he's smiling, but from up closer, it's more of a serious expression.
The passageways of the temple are lined with niches, each containing a relief carved from volcanic rock.
temple has a very dark origin story. 8 monks sought out King Kiyasita in order to tell him about a cave they had found in the Himalayas. The monks vividly explained the place to the king, and he was very impressed. The king then asked the monks to build a temple like this cave. After construction, the king had all the monks killed in order to make sure another temple like this would never be built again.
Ready to go? Are you pied out yet?
So the action.
Forward line first, like a gentleman that's celebrating Valentine's Day. It's all wrong. This is my wrong hand. 'Cause I'm filming for you with my right hand,
That's so good.
which is my left hand. Hey, it's a circle.
It's a circle.
Potato curry and veggie curry, both hot and sour.
Looking for amazingness to put in your belly? Look no further. Here is the spot.
And are you vegetarian?
Dreams are made. Vegetarians are fed.
Even vegan, I would say.
Or if you're neither of those things and just like deliciousness, you can win.
And not killing animals. Maybe some people like murdering animals, though.
They should still come here.
And that's Old City over there inside that wall. I have no idea what that means. But maybe it means like not all people that are trash are truly garbage. There's still hope for them.
Maybe it's referring to recyclable, reusable waste?
Oh, maybe that's it, yeah. So everything within these walls is Old Town Bagan, and that's where we're staying. But they're not allowed to serve alcohol inside there, so you have to walk outside the city walls to get your beers. Unless you're staying at a fancy hotel, and then they can charge you like $12 a beer. But yeah, there's an amazing vegetarian restaurant outside the walls, so you should go there. Interesting. We should look at this sometime. Go along the walls a little bit, eh?
Are you allowed to just wander out along the wall?
I don't know. There's signs, so I guess we could check the signs out and see. I don't know. It says you're not allowed to climb the city wall, but I'm not sure whether that means you can't walk along it. You probably could, but maybe we don't want to risk it. If I had a painting for every time I was approached and asked if I wanted to buy a painting, I'd have a lot of paintings.
You have a gallery.
I'd have a whole gallery of paintings.
How many tuk-tuk rides would you have?
I'd be so tucked. I'd be tea-tight, tucked out.
Bike rentals?
Scooter?
Horse rides?
Horse carriage? Secret view?
What about that face paint stuff?
Oh, don't even get me started.
You don't have a face anymore. You'd just be a mountain of paint.
There's a little, oh, I'm not gonna hurt you, little man. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. Also, I don't really want you that close to me because it's scary. There's something hanging off the other one's butt.
We wanted to mention that this series was filmed in February 2020. A lot has changed in the world and in Myanmar since. Myanmar was the friendliest and most welcoming country we have ever visited.
As we release these videos in this series, it's 2021, and the citizens of Myanmar are risking their lives to protest a military overtake of their government.
We certainly are no authority on what's going on, but we definitely encourage you to keep up to date with what's happening.